Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today we will be tidying up my living room, dining room, and hallway area, and also undecorating.
Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red carpet makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving up for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like Feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink, so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving up for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous.
I wanted to be extra and have the vacuum lines on my rug. So that's what you see me doing. I know it kind of looked like it's tedious, but it looks amazing.
We vibing like It's getting kind of personal. I know my inhibitions, I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it, rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you.
If you have made it this far in the video, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps my channel a lot and it let me know that you guys enjoy cleaning motivation videos. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tamarika. I am a wife and mother of 3 boys. On my channel, you will find cleaning, organization, DIY, and home decor videos.
Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. taste like cherry wine.
So I have this area on this side of my sectional where I keep all of Carter's toys, and I wanted some ideas. How do you guys store your kids' toys in the living room? And just let me know, because I'm so tired of seeing all these little toys everywhere, and the fact that it's super colorful. It's not matching the decor.
Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Kill my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na
And that is it, you guys, for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and also hit that bell so you do not miss any of my latest uploads. I hope this gave you some motivation to tidy up your home, and you guys have a great day.
I can't deny you. I can't deny you.